Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Example 4 6, 72, 120. Three numbers are given. We want to find out the HCF and LCF using the prime factorization method. Using the prime factorization method, that means we have to factorize all these three numbers. First of all, 6. 6 is a product of 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 72, last digit 2 is even. Last digit 2 is even. That means it will be divisible by 2. So when 72 is divided by 2, you will get 36. But 36 is also a even number, so 36 is also divided by 2. So 2 multiply 18. 18 is also divisible by 2. So 18 means 2 9s are 18. And 9 is a product of 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. So 2 comes 3 times. So it is 2 cube. 3 comes 2 times, so it will be 3 square. Now 120. Last digit is 2. Last digit is 0. So it will be divisible by 2. So 120 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2, you will get 60. So 2 into 60, it is 120. Again 0. So 60 divided by 2, you will get 30. So 2 into 30, 60. 30 is again divided by 2. So 2 into 15. 15 is a product of 5 and 3. So all these numbers are prime numbers. Here 2 comes 3 times. So it will be 2 cube. 5 and 3 comes 1 time. So this is your answer. Okay. Now I want to find out HCF and LCF. So HCF of 6, 72 and 120 is equal to, in HCF we will take the lowest power of a common factor. In HCF we will take the lowest power of a common factor. Here common factor is 2 and here the lowest power is 1. Here 3 power is given, so lowest power is 2 raised to 1. So in HCF, lowest power of common factor will be taken. Again in 3 square and 3. So common factor is 3 and smallest power, lowest power is 1. So 3 is also a HCF. Here 5 is given, but in this 2, 5 is not there. That means 5 is not common. So HCF is 2 multiply 3, it is 6. So these three numbers HCF is 6. That means these three number is divisible by highest common factor 6. Okay. Now I will find LCM of 6, 72 and 120. In HCF what we take? In HCF, lowest power of common factor. Lowest power of common factor in HCF will be taken. But in LCM, highest power of each factor will be taken. In LCM, highest power of each factor, not common factor, each factor. So 2, 2 cube and 2 cube. So here the highest power is 2 raised to 3. 3, 3 square and 3. So here the highest power of 3 is 2. So 3 square. 5, not even 5, here also not 5, but 5 whose highest factor is 1. So 5 is not a common, then also we have to take in LCM. Okay, so in LCM we will take all the factors, common factors as well as uncommon factors, both will be included in LCM. So 2 raised to 3, it is 8, 3 square, it is 9 and 5. So now product of these three numbers. So what is the easy method to multiply? 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 and 40 9s are, 40 means 0, 4 9s are 36. So LCM of these three numbers is 360. Exercise 1.1 question 3 1. 12, 15, 21 is given. 12, 15, 21 is given. Find HCF and LCM using prime factorization method. So 12 is a factor of 2 and 6. 12 is a factor of 2 and 6. But 6 is also a factor of 2 and 3. So 2 comes 2 times. So it is 2 square. 3 comes 1 time. 15. 15 is a product of 3 and 5. 15 is a product of 3 and 5, and this is prime number. Okay. Now 21. 21 is a product of 3 and 7. So all these now are prime numbers. Okay. Then what is the HCF of 12, 15, 21? So in HCF we will take lowest power of common factor. Lowest power of common factor. 2, but not 2. So 2 is not common. 3, 3, 3. And the lowest power is 1. So 3 is a HCF. That means all these three numbers, all HCF 3. HCF 3, that means all these three numbers is divisible by 3. Now I will find LCM of 12, 15 and 21. So in LCM highest power of each factor will be taken. In LCM highest power of each factor will be taken. So 2 square, 2 is not given in any other. So 2 square will be taken as a LCM. 3, 3, 3. So 3 is also included in LCM. 5 and 7 are also taken in LCM. Means in LCM every factor will be taken. In HCF every factor, whether it is common or not common, you have to take all the factors. 2 square is 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. Multiply in such a way that the unit digit of your answer is 0. Multiply in such a way that the unit digit of your answer is 0. So you should multiply 4 and 5 first, because 4 5s are 20 where unit digit is 0, and 3 and 7 multiply, 3 7s are 21. So 0 is as it is, 21 2s are 42. So this is your LCM. This is your LCM. The second sum in the same question is 17, 23, 29. These three numbers are given. Again we want to find HCF and HCM using the prime factorization method. Okay. To 17, 23 and 29. All these three numbers are prime number. 17, 23, 29. All these three numbers are prime numbers. Prime numbers, that means there is nothing common. In prime numbers, nothing is common. That means 1 is the HCF. In all the prime numbers, nothing is common. That means 1 is common. That means HCF is 1. So 17 is equal to 17 multiply 1. 23 is equal to 23 multiply 1. 29 is equal to 29 multiply 1. So HCF of all these three prime numbers, HCF of all these three prime numbers is 1, because 1 is common. Done. LCM of prime numbers. LCM of prime numbers is the product of those numbers. LCM of prime numbers is the product of those numbers. Means HCF માં કઈ કોમન ના હોય. તો પ્રાઇમ નંબર નો HCF શું થાય? 1. તો આ રૂલ યાદ રાખવાનો. આ રૂલ યાદ રાખો કે બધા જ પ્રાઇમ નંબર નો HCF શું? 1. બધા જ પ્રાઇમ નંબર નો LCM શું થાય? તો કે પ્રોડક્ટ ઓફ ધ નંબર્સ. જેટલા બી નંબર આપ્યા હોય બધાની જે પ્રોડક્ટ આવે ને એનો LCM થાય. Done. So here LCM is equal to 17, 23, 29. So product of 17, 23, 29. So the product of all these three, here the multiplication of 17, 23 and 29 is 11,339 is your LCM. Done. Now third question is 8, 9 and 25. 8, 9, 25, three numbers are given. Again we want to find out HCF and LCM using the prime factorization method. Done. So 8 is the product of 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8 is equal to 2 cube. 8 is equal to 2 cube. 9 is a square of 3. 9 matlab 3 into 3. That means 3 square. 25. That means 5 square. Done. Okay. Now I will find HCF of 8, 9, 25. So there is nothing common. Here 2, 3 and 5. So no any number is common. That means HCF is 1. And LCM of 8, 9 and 25. Okay. Again one thing. HCF 1. That means all these three numbers are co-prime numbers. What is co-prime number? What is co-prime number? Co-prime number means there is nothing common. There is nothing common means HCF is 1 when those numbers are co-prime numbers. Done. And LCM. LCM of these three numbers, here nothing is common. That means everything will be included in LCM. And what is the rule? What is the rule to find the LCM? Take highest power of each factor. In LCM, take highest power of each factor. So 2 raised to 3, 3 square, 5 square. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Again multiply in such a way that the last digit is 0. multiply in such a way that last two digit is 0. That means you should multiply 8 and 25. So what is the product of 25 Irza? We don't know. Okay, but we know 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. We know. And here 8. That means 4 2s are. So 25 4s are 100 and 100 2s are 200. So 200, that means 00. Now 2 is left and 2 is multiplied with 9. So 9 2s are 18. So the LCM of 8, 9, 25 is 1800. Again, I repeat the procedure. Multiply in such a way that last digit is 0. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. That means 0 in the unit digit. So I will multiply 25 and 8. But I don't know. Suppose I don't know 25 8s are. What's the answer? But I know 25 4s are 100 and 8 is 4 2s are 8. But I multiply 25 and 4. So again answer will be multiplied by 2. 25 4s are 100. 100 2s are 200 and 00. So 2 9s are 18. So this is the answer.
સ્ટાર્ટ.
ચલો આ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ તમે જ બનાવેલી આ વસ્તુ છે, બરાબર છે. મેથ્સ માટે આ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ બાબત છે. મેથ્સ તમને ત્યારે જ આવડશે જ્યારે તમે જાતે સમજવાનો ટ્રાય કરશો. મેથ્સ તમને ત્યારે જ આવડશે જ્યારે તમે જાતે એને સમજવાનો ટ્રાય કરશો. એટલે આ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. પછી આ બીજું, મેથ્સ તમને ત્યારે જ આવડશે જ્યારે તેના રૂલ્સ, ફોર્મ્યુલાસ અને કોન્સેપ્ટ સમજીને તમે યાદ રાખશો. મેથ્સ તમને ત્યારે જ આવડશે જ્યારે તેના રૂલ્સ, ફોર્મ્યુલાસ અને કોન્સેપ્ટ તમે એને સમજીને યાદ રાખશો. પછી મેથ્સ તમને આવડશે પણ ત્યારે જ જ્યારે તમે જાતે એના પર વિચાર કરશો.
સ્ટાર્ટ.
હમણાં જે તમને 3 વસ્તુ મેં બતાવી એનો ઉપાય અહીંયા છે કે તમે જો દરરોજ 10 મિનિટ તમે જો ઓમકાર કરશો, દરરોજ 10 મિનિટ જો તમે ઓમકાર કરશો તો તમને આ બધા જ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સમાંથી સોલ્યુશન જલ્દીથી મળશે. બરાબર છે? એટલે આના ઉપર દરરોજ 10 મિનિટ તમારે કરવું જ જોઈએ ઓમકાર. ત્યાર પછી આ બી તમે કરવાનો ટ્રાય કરો. આ એક સારામાં સારી ક્રિયા છે. દરરોજ રાત્રે સૂતી વખતે ભ્રામરી પ્રાણાયામ 5 મિનિટ તમે કરો. દરરોજ રાત્રે સૂતી વખતે ભ્રામરી પ્રાણાયામ દરરોજ તમે સૂતી વખતે કરો. આ એક હેબિટ બનાવી દો. હેબિટ બનાવશો તો તમને આનો શું બેનિફિટ થશે તમને નથી ખ્યાલ, પણ ઘણા બધા છોકરાઓએ આને એપ્લાય કર્યું છે, તેમને ખૂબ ફાયદો થયો છે. ત્રીજી વસ્તુ આ છે, આ હું નથી કહેતો, આપણું શાસ્ત્ર કહે છે કે ગાયત્રી મંત્રથી ઉત્તમ મંત્ર કોઈ નથી. તમે ગાયત્રી મંત્રથી ઉત્તમ મંત્ર કોઈ નથી. ગાયત્રી મંત્ર ભણવા માટેનો શ્રેષ્ઠ મંત્ર છે. દરરોજ રાત્રે નહીં પણ દિવસ દરમિયાન સૂતા પહેલાં અથવા તો શક્ય હોય તો તમે એને સવારે જ કરો, પણ સૂર્યાસ્ત પહેલાં કરો. સૂર્યાસ્ત પહેલાં 108 ગાયત્રી મંત્રનો તમે જાપ કરો. બરાબર છે? કારણ કે ગાયત્રી મંત્ર કરવાથી શાસ્ત્ર એવું કહે છે કે બાળકને મેઘાવી બુદ્ધિ પ્રાપ્ત થાય. ગાયત્રી મંત્ર એ સૂર્યનારાયણ ભગવાનનો મંત્ર છે. 108 ગાયત્રી મંત્ર કરવાનો તમે નિયમ લો, દરરોજ કરવાના. આનાથી તમારી બુદ્ધિ પ્રતિભામાં ખૂબ વૃદ્ધિ થશે. Example 2, find HCF and LCM of 6 and 20 using the prime factorization method. So 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. 20 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10. 20 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10, but 10 is a product of 2 and 5. Okay, so 2 multiply 2, that means 2 square into 5. Now I will find HCF of 6 and 20. So what is the rule to find HCF? Lowest power of common factor. In HCF, lowest power of common factor. So here common factor is 2. Common factor is 2, and here 1 power is given, and here 2 power is given. So lowest power is 1. Here 3 is given, but here 3 is not given. So 3 and 5 is not common. So HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. Now LCM of 6 and 20. So in LCM, highest power of each factor. In LCM, highest power of each factor will be taken. So 2 and 2 square. 2 and 2 square, highest power is 2 square. 3 and 5 is uncommon. So we have to include in LCM. So square of 2 is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. So this is the LCM. There is one rule. HCF of two number A and B. HCF of two number A and B multiply LCM of two number A and B is equal to the product of two numbers. This is the rule which will be applicable in now onwards examples and questions. What is the rule? Product of HCF and LCM of two numbers. Product of HCF and LCM of two number is equal to the product of two number. मीन्स अगर आपके पास दो नंबर है, ये दोनों नंबर की प्रोडक्ट का आंसर क्या मिलेगा आपको? दोनों नंबर की प्रोडक्ट का आंसर क्या मिलेगा? तो दोनों नंबर का HCF फाइंड करो, दोनों नंबर का LCM फाइंड करो, और ये दोनों HCF LCM का अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जो आंसर मिलेगा वही आंसर A मल्टीप्लाई B में होगा. सही है? तो यही रूल है एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 में. तो we have given two numbers 96 and 404. 96 and 404, two numbers are given. So find the HCF of these two numbers by the prime factorization method. Find HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. Hence find their LCM. That means first of all I will factorize these two numbers. I will find HCF. Then with the help of HCF and with the help of this formula I will find LCM. So first of all I will factorize two numbers. 96, 6 is a unit digit which is a even. Unit digit is even, so it will be divided by 2. So 96 divided by 2 you will get 48. 48. So last digit is 8 which is again even. So 48 is divided by 2 you will get 24. In 24 unit digit is 4. So again it is divided by 2. So 2 into 12. 2 into 6, 12. 6 means 2 into 3. If you can't follow, you can do this process also in rough work. 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder, 16 will be there, 2 8s are 16, again divide by 2, 24 2s are 48, again divide by 2, 12 2s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 2 2 2 2 means 2 5 times, 2 5 times, 3 1 time. Done. So 2 raised to 5 into 3. 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3. Now 404. So 404 divided by 2. 4 no half 2, 0 no half 0, 4 no half 2. 2 થી ડિવાઈડ કરવું એનો મતલબ હાફ કરવું. 2 થી ડિવાઈડ કરવું એનો મતલબ હાફ કરવાનો. ફરી આને 2 થી ડિવાઈડ કરો તો 2 નો હાફ 1, 0 નો હાફ 0, 2 નો હાફ 1. તો 101 તો પ્રાઇમ નંબર છે. તો 101 into 1. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 101. So your answer is 2 square into 101. Okay. Now question says that I want to find HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Question says that find HCF of these two number by prime factorization method. So I have done prime factorization. Now I will find HCF of these two number. Again in HCF, lowest power of common factor. In HCF, lowest power of common factor. So here common factor is 2. 5 power, 2 power. So lowest power is 2. So HCF is 2 square. 3 and 101 is not common. So 2 square is 4. So HCF is 4. But in question does not say that find LCM using prime factorization method. In question it is not given that using prime factorization find LCM. Question says that hence find the LCM. HCF, after finding HCF, find LCM. That means you have to use this formula. HCF of A comma B, LCM of A comma B is equal to A into B. HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B is equal to A into B. I want to find LCM of A comma B. That means this HCF is in multiply, it will transpose here. So multiply will be now convert into division. Okay. So LCM, A and B are two numbers, and two numbers are 96 and 404. So A is 96 and B is 40. A is 96, B is 404, and HCF of 96 and 404. HCF of 96 and 404 is 4. HCF is 4. Done. So now cut 404 by 4. It is 101. Now 96 multiply 101. You will get 9696. So this is the LCM of these two.